A software engineer is designing an AWS Step Functions workflow to manage order fulfillment. The process must suspend until a confirmation record, which is inserted into a DynamoDB table by a separate system, is detected. Which approach allows the state machine to perform this verification? Option A, use the DynamoDB getItem task within the state machine to verify the record's presence, utilizing a wait period and a loop to retry the check until the entry is found. Option B, attach a Lambda function to the DynamoDB stream to detect the new record and trigger the redrive command on the active state machine.
Option C, attach a Lambda function to the DynamoDB stream. Once the relevant record is detected, terminate the existing state machine and initiate a new execution. Option D, execute a Lambda function from the state machine to repeatedly pull the database until the record appears, failing the workflow if the function reaches its timeout limit. This question focuses on orchestrating workflows in AWS, where a state machine needs to wait for an asynchronous external event, like a database update, to signal that it is safe to proceed.
In my view, the correct answer is option A. This approach effectively uses a native step functions pattern where the state machine performs a getItem call to DynamoDB. By combining this with a choice state to evaluate the result and a wait state, the workflow can loop back and recheck the table periodically. This keeps the execution alive and pauses the business logic until the expected data appears, providing a clean and standard way to handle external dependencies within the workflow architecture. Option B is incorrect because the redrive command is designed specifically for restarting executions that have failed or were aborted, not for pausing or resuming valid workflows. Option C is also incorrect. Terminating and restarting a state machine breaks the workflow's continuity and makes managing execution state significantly more complex. Keeping the same execution alive is essential for maintaining a clear audit trail and preserving the context of the fulfillment process. Finally, option D is incorrect because AWS Lambda functions have strict execution time limits. They are not suitable for indefinite polling tasks, as they will eventually time out, causing the workflow to fail. As an exam tip, always consider the limitations of your compute resources. When you need a process to wait for a significant amount of time, prefer native step functions features like wait states or callback patterns, rather than trying to force a Lambda function to handle the waiting period.